Good morning everyone. I am NEETHU, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department, Vaidavasya Institute of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about Bus Rapid Transit System, that is BRTS. It is one of the most efficient transportation system which has been successfully implemented and experienced in many cities. In this study, I include about the BRTS system and features of an efficient BRTS and a best practice example, that is in Transmilenio Bogota, and the BRTS in India, that's in Ahmedabad and Delhi. So, coming to the introduction, Bus Rapid Transit System is a rapid mode of public transportation facility. So, which means there's a frequent buses, so it's a rapid transportation system. It ensures fast, comfortable, and cost-effective means of transport to its passengers compared to regular bus service. So, when we want to change or switch the passengers they were using from their private vehicle to the public transportation system, it should be fast and comfortable. And also, a successful BRTS should have integration with other means of transport such as non-motorized transport or metro services, and also provision of sufficient infrastructure facilities, and also it gives real-time information system for passengers through GPS. So it's a pictorial representation of a segregated BRT line. The red line, two red line shows one is coming and one is going. Here we can see that there is a dedicated dedicated lines for the BRTS line. So they can achieve their speed as well as the comfort for their through their dedicated line. And the features of an efficient BRTS, as I said, that there is a segregated line or dedicated line for the BRTS network, and there should have a good operational efficiency through the feeder system, and also it gives real-time passenger information system through GPS, so the passengers can know the real time of the bus, that is in arrival time or exit time, so they cannot lose their time. And also it have an integrated ticket system, so when we take a ticket, it can be used not only in the BRTS system but also it can be used in all the public mode of transportation. And it has a quick passenger access both in entry level as well as in exit level. And also the quality of buses is high. It gives a thermal comfort as well as the cushioning effect of seat, and it also have their air conditioned buses. And it have elevated platform for the easy exit and entrance. The platform is just above the ground level, and it have high capacity station, because there are so many people there switch the transportation system from the private vehicle to the public transportation, so it can accommodate high capacity stations and also express services, which means there is a frequent buses will be there. Then moving to the integrate a BRT system in public transport through automatization and electrification. In that way we can improve the air quality and reduce the pollution, and it have a well connectivity in industry and transport network as well as institution. And here we can see that there is a best practice example, that is in Transmilenio BRTS Bogota, that was in Colombia. Bogota is the capital city of Colombia with over 8 million population. In the pictorial representation, we can see that there is 46% of population in Bogota that they were using walking. They are more health conscious, and in most 36% they were using the public transportation system. So through the BRTS network, 36% of people they were using public mode of transportation, and the remaining 13% they were using private car, and 1% were using other, and the remaining 4% were using bicycle. So, in Transmilenio BRTS system, Bogota, Colombia, which is the largest BRTS system in the world, and it was a result of successful public and private partnership. And it was created as a trunk and feeder bus services, later integrated into a mass transit network, replacing the semi-regulated bus services. So the BRTS network has 12 corridors in service with over 125 kilometers of train routes and fare integrated ticketing services. Then why Transmillennial BRTS is a success? It mainly because of the infrastructure, the quality of infrastructure such as trunk corridors and feeder zones, and they have pedestrian crossing or overpassages, and they have a good fare system, both ticket booth stations and prepaid facility and fare card system, which not only for the BRTS system but also which can be used for other public transportation system. And the bus technology have high capacity articulated buses with the platform level access for all the both old aged people and physically disabled people. And BRTC supplemented by feeder buses on local streets. And transit management, operational fleet management for buses dispatch, record and reports, and all buses equipped with GPS and real time information system for passengers. And the benefits of Transmillennial BRTS system, which is implemented in Bogota, that is in Colombia, which has a financial benefits, which means when we switch to the public transportation system, then we can reduce the money which is used for the fuel consumption, and we can which is divided into so many passengers. In that way, that's a good financial benefit, and also it gives efficient regulation network and increased public demand due to the safety and quick access. The public demand is increased and better safety. For the segregated lines, it gives well maintained speed, and it does not mix up the traffic, so it gives safety, and which is also lead to faster trips. And it's a clean development mechanism model, which means we can reduce the fuel consumption as well as we can increase the better air quality. So this is a pictorial representation which is implemented before and after the BRTS system. So in the first before picture, we can see that the air quality is very poor. It's mainly because they were using lot of private vehicles. But after the implementation of BRTS system, in below picture we can see that there are the air quality is improved and the traffic condition is well maintained. So Transmilenio BRTS in Bogota, which is showing a section of Transmilenio Bogota. There is a segregated line for the BRTS bus network and as well as the private vehicle. And so there are stations with the 5 platforms, prepayment platform level boarding and overtaking lanes for local and express services, and also the platform level access buses to convenient for all people, especially in the old and especially able people. So Transmilenio have high capacity buses. 2 buses of Transmilenio BRT can accommodate up to 300 passengers, which can replace the passengers from more than 75 cars approximately. In that way, we can reduce the fuel consumption as well as we can increase the air quality. So we can reduce the pollution. So also we have some BRTS system in India. That's one is in Ahmedabad BRTS, which is the third most in 2006. Third most polluted city is Ahmedabad, which is converted into 69th rank in 2019 by the implementation of the BRTS network. Choice for high and flat floor buses for passengers, and it includes innovative bus station design and also level boarding with automatic doors at bus station, and electronic fare collection system and automatic fare collection system were included, and passengers information system using LED and audio announcement inside buses and at bus stations. Automatic vehicle location system also included, and access to public spaces and recreational hubs, which have interconnection with the railways and other public transportations. But in BRT system in India, other is Delhi. It is opened in 2008, aiming to move to 12,000 passengers per hour heading one way in South Delhi. The BRTS was set up to deliver fast, comfortable and affordable services at metro level capacities. But however, the Delhi BRT failed and was scrapped in 2017, costing around $1.7 million for scrapping only. So I can conclude that bus rapid transit system provide an efficient, faster and less time consuming trips for its passengers. However, this can be achieved only with the support of quality, convenient and accessible infrastructure facilities, and there is still scope of improvement in the BRT system as they are still source of pollution though in limited amounts. With advancing technologies, example electric buses or buses with clear fuel options, BRTs have the potential to be a sustainable and rapid mass transportation system. Thank you.